Let's continue our team coverage this morning with NBC 10's Malcolm Johnson. He's live for us in the city. Malcolm, good morning to you. Has the wind picked up in the city yet?
No, not just yet, but once it does, we will be sure to pick it up and feel it right in this general area as we are joining you from a wet and rainy Newberry Street. Take a look as we have seen little to no foot traffic here in what is generally a pretty busy area of the city. We have seen an awful lot of rain jackets and umbrellas. Take a look at some video that we took earlier this morning, though. Heavy traffic on the roads this morning. This is a look at Route 128. With the heavy rainfall, it is important, of course, for our viewers out there to keep in mind and try to avoid hydroplaning. And when it comes to the power, National Grid says that they have been closely monitoring the forecast. They say the strong winds have the potential to bring down tree limbs onto electrical lines, causing outages. And they also have made note of heavy rains saturating the ground, making it easier for trees and limbs to fall on those electrical lines and equipment. Now, the power company has added that they will have crews deployed throughout the entirety of the state and putting an emphasis on the areas where those strong winds are anticipated to occur so that they can restore power once it is safe to do so. For now, we're live reporting in Boston. I'm Malcolm Johnson, NBC 10 Boston.